7 SUVs that save you money on maintenance. When buying an SUV, people often focus on features like performance, fuel efficiency, and interior comfort. However, one crucial factor that many overlook is maintenance cost. Owning a vehicle isn't just about the initial price tag, it's also about how much you'll spend keeping it running smoothly. Some SUVs may seem like a great deal at first, but can drain your wallet with frequent repairs and expensive parts. That's why choosing an SUV with low maintenance costs can save you thousands in the long run. In this video, we'll explore 7 SUVs that are known for their reliability, affordability, and minimal upkeep expenses. But before I continue, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. It will help me to grow up. 1. Toyota RAV4. The perfect balance of reliability and affordability. The Toyota RAV4 is a household name in the SUV world, and for good reason. It has built a strong reputation for being one of the most dependable vehicles on the road. One of the main reasons why the RAV4 is so cost-effective is Toyota's engineering, which prioritizes longevity and ease of maintenance. The parts are widely available and reasonably priced, making repairs and replacements more affordable compared to many competitors. Toyota's service network is another advantage. Since the RAV4 is a global bestseller, almost every mechanic is familiar with its components, reducing labor costs. The SUV's durability also means fewer unexpected breakdowns, which further helps keep expenses in check. Another factor that makes the RAV4 stand out is its fuel efficiency. With a strong hybrid option available, the RAV4 significantly lowers fuel costs over time. Many hybrid models can exceed 40 miles per gallon, which is impressive for an SUV. That means fewer trips to the gas station and more money saved. Owners of the RAV4 also appreciate its resale value. Even after years of use, the RAV4 holds its worth better than many competitors. This means that when it's time to upgrade, you can still get a good return on your investment. 2. Honda CR-V, a low-maintenance workhorse with impressive longevity. The Honda CR-V is another SUV that shines when it comes to low-maintenance costs. Honda is known for producing some of the most durable and efficient vehicles, and the CR-V is no exception. With proper care, these SUVs can easily surpass 200,000 miles without major issues. One of the biggest reasons the CR-V remains affordable to maintain is its simple yet effective engineering. Honda doesn't overload the CR-V with overly complex components that require frequent repairs. The naturally aspirated engines in earlier models have a proven track record of reliability, while newer turbocharged versions also perform well with proper maintenance. Oil changes, brake replacements, and other routine maintenance tasks are cost-effective for CR-V owners. Since Honda parts are widely available, repairs don't take a long time, and you won't be stuck paying a premium for hard-to-find components. The CR-V's reliability means you won't be visiting the mechanic as often as you would with some other SUVs in its class. Additionally, the CR-V offers excellent fuel economy, making it an efficient choice for daily commutes or long road trips. A combination of low running costs and high resale value makes this SUV one of the best options for buyers who want long-term savings. 3. Subaru Forester, built for adventure without breaking the bank. Subaru has built its reputation on safety, durability, and all-wheel drive performance, and the Forester is one of its best-selling models. If you're looking for an SUV that handles rough terrains while remaining affordable to maintain, the Forester is a fantastic choice. One of the biggest advantages of the Forester is Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system. Unlike many other AWD SUVs that require expensive maintenance and repairs, Subaru's system is built to last with minimal upkeep. The Forester also boasts a simple and well-designed engine that, when properly maintained, runs reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles. Another cost-saving aspect of the Forester is its excellent fuel economy. Unlike many other AWD SUVs that guzzle fuel, the Forester provides a great balance between performance and efficiency. This helps reduce your long-term fuel expenses, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers. Subaru's commitment to safety also plays a role in keeping costs down. With features like EyeSight Driver Assist and high crash test ratings, the Forester is less likely to be involved in costly accidents. Insurance premiums for Forester owners tend to be lower than for other SUVs, which further contributes to overall affordability. 4. Hyundai Tucson, the budget-friendly SUV with a long warranty. Hyundai has stepped up its game in recent years, producing vehicles that rival traditional giants like Toyota and Honda. The Hyundai Tucson is a standout SUV that offers reliability and affordability, especially when it comes to maintenance costs. One of the biggest perks of owning a Tucson is Hyundai's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This means that many major repairs are covered for an extended period, saving you money on unexpected breakdowns. Even beyond the warranty period, Tucson models are known for their reliability, with fewer reported issues compared to other SUVs in the segment. Hyundai's focus on affordability extends to replacement parts as well. Compared to European brands, Hyundai parts are generally cheaper and easier to find. Whether it's brakes, filters, or transmission components, maintaining a Tucson won't break the bank. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. The Tucson, especially in its hybrid variant, offers excellent mileage, reducing long-term fuel expenses. With modern technology, user-friendly features, and low maintenance costs, the Tucson is an excellent choice for those looking for an economical SUV. 5. Mazda CX-5, a stylish yet cost-effective choice for SUV buyers. The Mazda CX-5 is proof that you don't have to sacrifice style and driving pleasure for affordability. It's one of the best handling compact SUVs on the market, but it also happens to be one of the most budget-friendly in terms of maintenance. Mazda has focused on building durable, naturally aspirated engines that don't require costly turbo repairs. This means fewer mechanical failures and lower upkeep expenses over the years. The CX-5 also has a well-built transmission that holds up well under normal driving conditions. Regular maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, and brake pad replacements are all reasonably priced. Since the CX-5 shares many components with other Mazda models, finding parts isn't a hassle, and labor costs remain affordable. The CX-5 also stands out with its high-quality interior. Many SUVs in this price range feel cheap on the inside, but Mazda provides a near-luxury experience without the expensive maintenance costs that typically come with premium brands. 6. Ford Escape, a practical and affordable SUV for everyday use. Ford's Escape is a well-rounded SUV that delivers strong performance, good fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs. One of the reasons why the Escape remains a budget-friendly option is its widespread availability. With millions of units on the road, replacement parts are easy to find and relatively inexpensive. Ford has also improved the reliability of newer Escape models, reducing the chances of costly repairs. Regular maintenance like oil changes and brake servicing is reasonably priced compared to luxury SUVs or European brands. The Escape offers different powertrain options, including a hybrid variant that further reduces long-term expenses by improving fuel economy. Whether you choose the traditional gas-powered version or the hybrid, you can expect lower overall ownership costs. 7. Nissan Rogue, a reliable and cost-effective SUV for families. The Nissan Rogue is another great choice for those who want a budget-friendly SUV with minimal maintenance expenses. Nissan has worked to improve the Rogue's reliability in recent years, making it a strong contender in the low-maintenance category. One of the main reasons the Rogue is affordable to maintain is its widely available and cost-effective parts. Nissan has a strong service network, meaning you won't struggle to find mechanics who can work on your vehicle. The Rogue also offers impressive fuel efficiency, especially in its newer models. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, helps reduce fuel consumption, although proper maintenance is required to ensure longevity. With a spacious interior, modern features, and a low cost of ownership, the Nissan Rogue is an excellent option for families looking for an economical SUV. Smart choices for long-term savings. Choosing an SUV with low maintenance costs is not just about saving money, it's about ensuring a hassle-free ownership experience. A reliable vehicle minimizes unexpected repairs, reduces downtime, and provides peace of mind. While performance, features, and design are important factors, maintenance expenses can significantly impact your budget over time. That's why selecting a well-engineered SUV from a brand known for durability can be a game-changer. Investing in a vehicle with affordable parts, a strong service network, and a history of dependability means fewer trips to the mechanic and lower long-term costs. The SUVs covered in this video prove that quality doesn't have to come at a high price. Whether you prioritize fuel efficiency, resale value, or warranty coverage, these models offer a balance of affordability and reliability. A smart purchase today can lead to years of worry-free driving, because the best SUV isn't just the one with the latest features, but the one that keeps more money in your pocket. Why choosing a low-maintenance SUV matters. When buying an SUV, it's easy to get caught up in fancy features, powerful engines, or luxurious interiors. But at the end of the day, what really matters is how much your vehicle will cost you over time. Choosing a low-maintenance SUV isn't just about saving money on repairs, it's about peace of mind. Knowing that your vehicle won't leave you stranded with costly breakdowns or expensive part replacements allows you to enjoy your drive without stress. The 7 SUVs we covered in this video offer the perfect combination of reliability, affordability, and long-term savings. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient hybrid like the Toyota RAV4, an adventurous and durable Subaru Forester, or a budget-friendly Hyundai Tucson with an unbeatable warranty, there's an option for every kind of driver. These SUVs are designed to keep running smoothly for years, reducing unexpected repair costs and making ownership hassle-free. If you're in the market for an SUV, make sure to factor in maintenance costs before making a decision. Sometimes, a cheaper SUV at the dealership ends up costing more in repairs down the road, while a slightly more expensive but reliable option saves you thousands over time. Research, compare, and choose wisely. Let us know in the comments which SUV you think is the best when it comes to low maintenance. Do you own any of the models we mentioned? How has your experience been? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more car-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.